Hi guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing of new Oppo F1 Plus Selfie Expert. Let's see what's in the box. So the phone comes in this creamish box wherein the phone picture is in the front with the logo of the company, and behind we can see the details like 16 megapixel front facing camera, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal memory, and it has a flash charge which I would love to use it, how it makes the charging faster, and we have touch access similar to what we have in iPhone and other phones nowadays. And we can see here the color is gold and few other details it's been given here. Let me open the box. It's very easy. This is one pretty white box with just Oppo logo everywhere. It has this beautiful phone inside which is white in the front, gold in the back, and it is also having the car. I'll come back to it later. Let me see what else is inside the box. It also has the SIM ejector, and inside there is phone cover with two manuals regarding the phone, quick guide and information guide. This is the charger which I was talking about. It has flash charging. That means it will charge really quick and faster. I will let you know how it is after I use. And this is the USB cable to use for data transfer. And this also has an earphone which not many phones give nowadays, but then it is not very basic. I see that there's no earplug. It is very basic earphones. Let me use it and then talk about it later on. Coming back to the phone, it is very pretty. It is very comfortable in the hand. It is lightweight. It is very sleek. At first glance you will feel like as if it's an iPhone, but it is not iPhone. It is Oppo F1 Selfie Expert. And so it has volume keys at the side and a power button at the right hand side. Below you can see the speaker and USB cable charging, 3.5 mm jack. So there are few details written on the sticker behind. You can use the phone as dual SIM, or you can use a single SIM and a memory card. Internal memory is 64GB, and you can also put an external memory card. And a few other warning and messages. You better keep this information safe with you. And when I peel this off, there is beautiful Oppo logo, and I love the way this color is not pure golden, but it has this shiny premium look, which is very classy. With a glance, anyone will feel like it is an iPhone 6s. So the looks and the features I think is of iPhone 6s. Let me see what exactly is there. Let me switch it on. I had already switched it on, so you will not see the initial choosing the language and other details. It's loading. Let me see what the Android version is. Okay, it's on right now. Let me just go to the settings. About phone. So you can see it's still 5.1, which is Lollipop. It doesn't have the Marshmallow. I think it will come sooner because it's the higher end phone of Oppo. And it has Color OS version, which is version 3.0, and you can see the other details like 64GB memory, 4GB RAM. And when you need to have the developer version, you just have to click on the build number and you will be having the developer mode. The interface looks really good. It looks like an iPhone interface with the ease of Android. So that's what makes this phone really peculiar, because it has iPhone features as well as Android flexibility. Coming to the camera, which is more spoken about, let me show you the clarity. Inside it is giving nice clarity. You can also increase the brightness or decrease the brightness similar to what we have in iPhones. And coming to the video, you can see here that it is clicking in 720 pixels. You can also increase it to 1080. It also has time lapse, and it has other modes like beauty mode. Beauty mode has like from fair to rosy. You can click in different shades. With you can see it here. It's more of rosy, and this is more of fair. and it also has panoramic mode of clicking. And coming to the selfie, I will talk about it in detail in the blog. It says it is golden color, but in the front it is more of white, so you will not see the back button and the home button which is there. You can kill the apps through this, and to come back you can use this button. More details and more about the features of the phone, everything will be up on the blog real soon. So do come back to the blog, which is www.thatelegantchick.com, with the full review. I will showcase how the pictures are. I'll compare it with iPhone 6s and everything. If you really like this video, don't forget to like it, comment, and do subscribe to the channel. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is That Elegant Chick. See ya guys.